today I'm going to go over day 3 of computers and coding. We will be doing an input and output activity. So first, we need to scroll down and find day 3. Okay. This is a presentation which I'll open. It also says you're going to need to open the input and output virtual sorting notes response sheet. Okay. So I'm going to come up to assignments, and I'm going to click input and output activity. It will hopefully prompt me and say load this in a new window. That's what I want to do. Okay. So this is the response sheet that you'll write on. Come back to our intro to computers and coding page. Okay. It also says open up inputs outputs virtual sorting activity. Okay. Then it says you should make a copy of this if it doesn't prompt you. So if I were to click on this, it should say make a copy. So I'm going to click make a copy. Now, this is my very own copy that I can work on. Okay, so as it says, an input, a device or component that allows information to be given to a computer. Output is any device or component that receives information from a computer. Okay, so we've got it for the desktop computer, Chromebook, and smartphone. Okay, so going to the desktop, you would need to sort these terms and these terms into output or input, depending on what you think. Okay, so let's just say an input. Let's say if I click on headphones, I click and I drag. Let's just say I do that. Okay, so I would need to do that for each of these terms. Okay, for each of these devices. Alright, if you have something that you think doesn't go into either one, you can put it in the middle. If you think it's both, you can put it in the middle, something like that. Okay, so whatever you have in here, you would then come to your response sheet and you would just type what you think. Okay, you know, that could be wrong or right, I don't know. Okay, we'll go over that in class. So you'll do it for desktop, Chromebook, and smartphone on the response sheet as well. When you are done with this one, that is what you turn in. Okay, and then you would be done with your input and output activity.